Background music swells, a blend of traditional Indian sitar and modern orchestration, evoking a sense of mystery and awe. As the camera pans over the misty contours of the ancient Ajanta caves, the narration begins. Cultural heritage, more than just a testament to our shared human history, it is a priceless treasure. It is the thread that weaves together, connecting us to our ancestors, our traditions, and to the very core of who we are. The visuals shift to the majestic Taj Mahal, standing tall against the soft hues of the morning sky. India, the nurturing cradle of civilization, stands tall, a lighthouse in the world's journey to safeguard and honor this invaluable legacy. The crescendos as the camera sweeps across the colorful expanse of the Rann of Kutch, the intricate carvings of Khajuraho temples and the architectural marvels of Hampi. In preserving our heritage, we preserve our identity, and in celebrating it, we celebrate the richness of our shared human experience. So let us journey together to glimpse India's vibrant cultural heritage and understand why it's worth every effort to protect and preserve. As the music fades, the screen transitions into the next segment. Sweep across the lush landscape with us, taking in the breathtaking aerial views of Myanmar. At its heart, the ancient city of Bagan spreads out below, revealing the sheer magnitude of its historic grandeur. As the once proud capital of the pagan kingdom, the panorama of this UNESCO World Heritage Site is awe-inspiring. From this bird's-eye vantage, one can see a vast canvas sprinkled with over 3,000 ancient monuments and pagodas. Our camera hovers, revealing each one in turn, their intricate designs capturing the essence of Buddhist art and architecture. The structures, steeped in the silence of a time long past, echo with the whispers of the bygone era. As the camera glides over them, a voice etched with suspense narrates the intriguing tale of Bagan's history. However, the passage of time, coupled with neglect and natural calamities, has dealt a harsh blow to these historic gems. Many have crumbled into disrepair, succumbing to the relentless march of the years and the fury of the elements. The most significant damage was inflicted by the earthquake of 2016, which left 5 of Bagan's famed pagodas in a state of alarming disrepair. Enter the Archaeological Survey of India, a stalwart in the field of cultural preservation. Having successfully restored the Ananda Temple in Bagan, they have now turned their attention to the 5 pagodas ravaged by the earthquake. This mammoth task, expected to span several years, involves not just physical restoration but also extensive research on the structures, a testament to India's commitment to restoring these architectural marvels to their former glory. In conclusion, the preservation and restoration of cultural heritage is a noble endeavor, a sacred trust passed down through generations. India, with her rich historical tapestry and commitment to cultural preservation, plays a pivotal role in this global mission. The restoration of Bagan's pagodas is but one chapter in this ongoing saga, a shining example of India's dedication to safeguarding our shared human legacy. In a world increasingly characterized by transience and change, the preservation of cultural heritage serves as a link to our past, a beacon guiding us into the future. It is a testament to our resilience, our diversity, and our shared human experience. Through efforts like the restoration of Bagan's pagodas, we not only honor our history, but also ensure its continuity for generations to come.